Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Cloudflare and Hostinger access are ready, and you add your domain to Cloudflare now. Once done, Cloudflare will scan DNS records. You must compare those with Hostinger's DNS page. Make sure you capture any custom MX or TXT entries, because losing email records breaks mail delivery. While Cloudflare asks you to pick a plan, choose free for basic protection and performance. This gets you the name server targets you'll replace at Hostinger in a moment. You now transfer DNS. Manually enter each Hostinger record into Cloudflare, matching IPs and TTLs. This avoids downtime. Once records exist, toggle the orange cloud for web traffic to route through Cloudflare, but leave MX and mail-related TXT records unproxied to keep email working. Next, set Cloudflare SSL to full or full strict if you installed an origin certificate on Hostinger. This prevents mixed content and TLS issues. Finally, enable automatic HTTPS rewrites and Brotli to improve performance immediately. You finish by replacing your domain name servers at Hostinger with the two Cloudflare name servers exactly as shown. Once updated, propagation can take minutes to 24 hours. Monitor Cloudflare's status until it shows active. Make sure the site loads via HTTPS and email still functions. If something breaks, clear browser and DNS cache, then recheck every DNS record for typos or missing entries. A key troubleshooting tip: if mail fails, ensure MX and related TXT records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.